how to begin. First, find a place. It doesn't matter where, perhaps beside your heater or cozy in a chair. You do not need a whole room, writers often share. Next, bring some things, a rock that makes you smile, your favorite stuffed rhinoceros, place these in a pile. Treasures keep you company, you may be here a while. Last, look around with open heart and eyes, let your writing brain be brave, you may be surprised. Writing is discovery, not knowing can be wise.